I'm big into following my gut. So if I feel something strange, something's not right, I follow it. So I'm on my way to town, which is 20 minutes from where I live. Something told me don't go. Turn around. You know, just something was just bothering me. Don't go. Like, yo, you don't need to go to town right now. Don't go. So I'm like, damn, you know what? Halfway there, I fucking turned around. So I turn around and I get home. And that. So I'm home. Just got home basically. Still sitting in the car. You know. And I can see it from here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a package. So I'm like, oh, this must be the thing that told me not to go. Well, let's go check it out. Let's definitely see what it is. Ooh. Fast. Let's cover that. Well, Mishimoto. All right. So I ordered this package a couple days ago. I want to say probably like 2 days ago. Didn't pay for no fast shipping or none of that. I'm hyped. It's here. You know, that's something. That's incredible. I haven't received packages that fast unless they're from Prime, which that's great. So I'm impressed with the company. That's awesome. That's definitely awesome. But let's see what it is. Hey guys, we're in the garage. There she goes. You know, it's been a long project. Honestly, I'm not in a rush for her to come out. And that, got started working, got everything wired up, ready to throw her in. Honestly, I wish I could get rid of half of these wires. It's crazy because I'm building this car, throwing this motor in for now, get everything running the way I want it, and the motor's coming back out. And then I'm sending it to paint. The whole car's gonna get painted Tiffany blue and everything. Actually, oh, what did I break? Actually get it running the right way. And then I'm pretty much don't know what I want to do just yet. If I want to do an M3 in it, LS1, or a 2JZ. Still undecided, but it's definitely a project. It wasn't meant for a project. It was meant to just get it out, get it running, and get it good. But hey, things change, you know? So, well, anyways, you know what we're here for. Let's open this package up. Basically, got a package from Mishimoto. Y'all guys don't know what it is? I know what it is. Let's check it. Well, I halfway know what it is. Let's say that. I really don't know all the way. Woo! I'm hype. I'm hype. Let's get to it. It's going live. You've gone live. It's going live. It's going live. YouTube, check Instagram live. Pow. I'll record you while you record me. Let's do this. But anyways, package from Mishimoto. You know, I had to customize the shipping. Don't really want you guys knowing where I live. Just yet. But let's see. Oh, and yeah, that's in store for me. Whoop! I know what's in it. Don't really know all of it and that, so. I love opening stuff because it's like Christmas. There's nothing! Ha! It was a trick. I didn't order nothing. It was a joke, guys. Fucking joke. Like, I lied. Alright. I did order some apparel and that. A shirt for the girlies. A little Mishimoto toy. And it looks like a goodie bag. And that. Awesome. Swag bag. So, bam. Bam. in a swag bag. In that. That's awesome. Don't want to show you guys what it says on the back, but that's freaking awesome. Like, I'm hype about it. Open it up. Got the swag bag. Woo, I don't even know what's in here at all. Not one clue. Little toy, little keychain, drift charm. Yeah, let me mess up my teeth that way. Mind you, I have a knife somewhere and I'm using my teeth. I am an idiot. Alright guys. Drift charm. I'm an idiot, definitely an idiot. This is a cool drift charm. I just opened this bag with my teeth knowing I have a damn knife there. And now my teeth hurt. I'm dumb for that. That was just a dumb move. But the girlie's gonna be happy that she has a Mishimoto shirt. Definitely representing, you know. I wish, you know, maybe I'll custom make some stuff for the doggy. But yeah. So, let's get this swag bag open. Alright. Swag bag time. Woohoo. Let's see what's in it. Woo. Alright. You know, it's getting cold. You don't want to hold your beer in the cold. Lanyard. Tough. You know, gotta represent. Definitely represented. Oh, it definitely smells good in there. Alright. You know? Pow. And gotta throw the decal on. Definitely gotta throw that on. There's no doubt about it. Let me tell you, I know there's an air freshener in there because this smells amazing. Is it cherry? I can't even tell what it is, but oh my god, I don't even want to open it. You know what? Let's throw that back in the bag for that doesn't lose its scent. But this is awesome. I'm loving it. Definitely loving it. Oh, 2 stickers. Oh, we killing it. For one for each side. I say rear window maybe. Yeah. You know, passenger driver. Awesome. Definitely hype. Definitely hype. Welcome to the team, Mish. Welcome to the team. Yeah. I'm hyped. So hyped. Definitely got some cool stuff, you know, stickers, passenger, driver, cool ass lanyard, wherever my keys are. It's getting too cold to hold these beers, you know. And man, there is an air freshener in here. I tell you, I can smell it from here, and it's fucking amazing. Excuse the language, it's fucking amazing. But I don't want to even bring it out. I'm trying to keep it in there for it won't lose its scent. But look at the little penguin. Yeah. But oh my god, guys, it's like it rocks definitely. Like, and some, you know, time to order some more stuff. I just, you know, wanted a quick little Imperial package since the car definitely is not out yet, just to, you know, get rocking and, you know, start showing the world what is it about. Mish is that shit. Let's do it. See where this drift charm will work at. This is awesome. I don't even know if these come with tow hooks. Oh, there's a tow hook right there, dummy. How about under the car? Nope. So definitely looks like it will be hanging from here. I'm hype about it. That's cool. This is a cool little penguin. That's one of my favorite little animals, penguins. So that's awesome. Word. Another package. They just coming and coming. Hype. So finally, I'm gonna be able to finish the car. This is what I was waiting for, basically. Brake lines. And then, hopefully, since it's so damn cold out, I'm gonna be able to install them tonight. Cause like, I'm booked, so booked with tattoos. And I have a wrap coming up, a wrap job. So that's gonna be, yeah, my weekend's pretty killer this week. So hopefully I got time tonight. I'm gonna try to get it tonight and get everything done and shit. But yeah, so my plan is basically work on this tattoo I gotta do. Here's the idea. Basically, that's the design with some his kid's footprints. But after that, I gotta go get a heater, run to town, go get a torpedo. Hopefully it keeps the garage warm enough for me. And I'll be able to get on the car and start this. But let's check this out. Ooh, you know, always hit you with the decals. Ooh. Alright. So hype. So hype. I never really installed aftermarket brake lines. Only on my Harley. So I'm hoping I don't need too many crazy different tools because AutoZone's gonna be closed by the time I start on it. But definitely hype about it. Definitely can't wait. And that, like, this car is gonna be looking pretty well. And that, like, I basically was gonna just, you know, get the car driving. But the way everything turned out, it's looking like I'm gonna drift it. You know, why not? I'll go buy me another car just for my Danny. But yeah, I'm not gonna open take it out the package until I should, but I'm not. So hopefully everything's good. And we'll be working on the car tonight. So I'll see y'all then.